My face is so white, it looks like it doesn't have any.
I love the fresh alien looks.
Anyways, hi, how is everyone? We're good. It's been a while.
We're super excited because tonight we're going to the Jack White concert.
Yes.
We were actually debating calling this video Jack White makeup,
but we don't think, yeah, not a lot of people.
Not many people are searching for Jack White makeup tutorials.
What makeup am I gonna wear? So yeah, we're doing a tutorial today with this beautiful Huda Beauty palette that we got, and we still really haven't used it.
Oh, well, I have
Camille's
used it a lot. I've kind of hogged it.
Okay,
I'm keeping it in a special spot because I broke a palette recently. I was really upset, so it's not in our bathroom. So
what palette?
I keep it down. No, the one you broke.
I didn't break it.
We don't know who broke
somehow.
It somehow fell out of our drawers. So now I'm keeping this in my room, so that's probably why I even thought to use it.
Well, I haven't used it, so this is gonna be a first.
So I absolutely love this palette so much. I've never really splurged on a makeup palette. I don't know if you have. No. So, but then I saw it on Instagram, I guess, or online, and I was just like, I mean, look.
They have a lot of fun colors.
Look how beautiful this is.
Sparkles and like a lot of reds and purples in this
purple
one.
and red. It's
and
warm
brown
tones, orange, purple, red, and I love wearing red and orange colors on my eyes, so
it's gonna be really fun.
So then we felt like, you know, Jack White, white stripes, let's do a sultry reddish smoky eye. So that's what we're gonna do with these.
I think we're both doing a red smoky eye.
Yeah.
So
we'll see what it looks like.
Just get down to it.
I have no idea what I'm gonna be doing, but that's what we're doing.
Yep, this is like a surprise makeup challenge.
So we've already put on just a bit of foundation and done our brows because that's boring and
my brows are done.
Who cares?
So to start off, I'm gonna be going in with the color Saffron, and I'm gonna be putting that on my lid everywhere.
I'm gonna be using the color Eden, which is a light orange, and putting it all over my lid to start.
Okay, good start. Okay, let's get in here.
Yeah, I'm really bad at doing smoky eyes, and I find when I do like a black traditional smoky eye, I feel like I look old, if that makes any sense. Like it feels heavy.
Yeah, I feel like someone socked me in the eye.
I feel like I look like just aged. But I find doing smoky eyes with colors looks a lot lighter and fresher, even if it is like something like red, which I hate when people are like, oh, it looks like allergies. I'm like, but it looks fun.
Yeah, I honestly, my favorite color to wear on my eyes are like pinky colors, pinky reddy.
I love sick colors, like sick illness colors on eyes.
It really goes with my
what
look.
People think of as illness colors. So this orange,
I've really concentrated this. Do you see it?
Ooh,
completely on my lid.
I kind of like it just like that. I kind of like it just like that. Put a bit of the sparkly in the corner, not that one.
No, I'm putting the sparkly underneath.
Put the sparkly underneath.
Yeah.
Okay, so I just kind of diffused this orange, and actually this is really nice, just everyday color just for your lid. Now I'm gonna go in with amber in the corner, which is a bit of a deeper orangey.
So with this, I'm just kind of really patting it on, so not to diffuse it, just keep the color very concentrated. And I'm putting it like completely circular on my lid. I'm not winging it out. I'm not putting it all the way up to my brow. I'm not diffusing it. Just all in the middle.
I'm doing diffuse using my brush and fingers because I don't know how to use a brush properly, and sometimes I find it's easier just to like go like that with your finger to make it softer. It's my personal preference. And I'm putting a bit of this deeper color. I will be putting a bit under my eye as well after I've got the level I want here.
So this color is kind of perfect for right now because I have eczema on this eyelid.
So it just blends, right?
So it just covers that right up. Maybe it's too down on that side.
I haven't put it on this side.
That side.
On me?
Yeah.
Like it's too low?
Yeah. Like it should be more like, yeah, there you go. That looks better.
I think I've said this a million times in other tutorials, is I just go crazy, and then after I'll take, usually most palettes have like a really nude light color, and then I'll use a fluffy or makeup brush and go around just to clean it up.
I've never done makeup like this.
I'm using, yeah, that color looks really cool. I'm using this Kat Von D Shade and Light brush. It has like a little smaller side on this side, so I'm going to go underneath my eye using that with the deep orange red amber. So Greta and I have a funny story with Jack White. I've never seen him in concert except for this one time. So when we were younger, we would always go to concerts like 2 hours early because we wanted to be right at the front. So we, in high school, were really big fans of Dead Weather. And if you don't remember, Dead Weather was a band that
Jack White
was in. Was he with the girl from The Kills?
Yeah.
Who's the girl? Anyway, they were great. And we went early and we were right at the front. It was great. Then the concert started and it was the most insane mosh pit. I thought we were going to die.
And how old was I? I was in like 10th grade.
Yeah.
So it wasn't like I could really hold my own yet.
It was the most insane mosh pit I've ever been in my life. Anyway, I thought we both were like, we're gonna die. Today we're gonna die. And then we had to go, we were so excited about being at the front, we had to pull ourselves out to the side.
Sorry, just a little aside from Camille's story. I'm now going in with the color Turkish Delight, which is like a sparkly red color, and I'm going underneath my bottom lash.
Okay, so I got the smoke going on underneath, looks relatively somewhat even. Not perfectly, but that's the way it is gonna be. And now, I think I'm gonna use the same color as Greta, Turkish Delight, to add a bit of shimmer.
It's nice, look at that.
Blood Moon. I like Turkish Delight. I'm gonna copy you.
What's blood?
I'm just gonna pat it. Oh, yeah. It's a bit orangier. I'm gonna pat it on the outer edges just for a little over the deeper red. Is this looking sparkly? Yeah, it is looking sparkly. It is nice and sparkly. Sorry, I'm just last step. I am putting Turkish Delight over this underneath. Copying you, Greta.
I look like danger.
I'm gonna do this really quick.
How many fucking shades are you using?
No, I put into Desert Sand. It's the nude. Just gonna like put it under here just to like, just to clean it up.
I'm leaving mine messy.
I'm not going in with a foundation brush and crisping it. Just kind of. It's not even, but I like it. Okay, I'm gonna put some mascara on.
Mm-hmm. But before I do that, well, say which one you're using first.
Benefit as usual.
Rollerlash. I'm using Bareminerals Lash Domination, which is what I've been using lately. But I've been using a curling thing. Eyelash. What is it called?
Eyelash curler.
Oh my god, sorry, I just had a stroke. I'm using an eyelash curler because I have very long eyelashes, but they just jut out. They don't really curl. So I'm just curling those babies up.
Sometimes I was doing my makeup yesterday and I stopped to think about what my face looks like. It's usually like that. What? Do you ever do mascara?
Oh, your makeup face. I thought you meant just in general.
Ooh, you know what I actually want to do?
What?
I'll do it later.
What?
I want to put a black eyeliner dot right at the bottom of my eye. Kind of like a doll.
Jesus, how many things are you doing?
For highlighter, I just recently purchased the RMS Living Luminizer Quad. Or Luminizer Quad. I totally forgot about Living Luminizer. I used to use it for years and then I ran out and I didn't repurchase it for a while. And I found an old one in my makeup bag. I'm like, this is the best highlighter ever to ever exist. So I purchased the Quad.
I haven't seen this.
Yeah, isn't it nice? It has a Living Luminizer, a nudie luminizer, a rosy gold luminizer, and one that's kind of glittery. I think tonight I'm gonna use the regular one. I've used all of them. Actually, maybe I should use the sparklier one.
Yeah, go sparkly.
I'm gonna use both. I'm gonna double up.
I don't think that's okay. Anyways, I'm using the NYX Strobe Genius Holographic Stick in. I always forget the shade. What the fuck shade?
The holographic-y purpley one.
Electric Invasion. That's the one. And I'm just packing that on because I love the color and I think it's perfect for a concert. It has that bit of bluiness.
I love the reason Living Luminizer, I know Greta, you've used it too, so you know how good it is. Is it's natural, it's made with coconut oil, so it just feels like it sinks into your skin and feels really, you feel really dewy and glowy when you wear it. It doesn't sit on top. It really gives you a beautiful shine.
You should try this though, because it's super, it's not natural, but it's very, it just spreads so nicely and it's very hydrating. Just makes me feel like a disco ball. Okay, lips.
So
I'm going in, I don't know what this color is.
it's Macaroon.
I'm going in with this Bite Beauty Multistick in Macaroon.
I suggest if you want a less saturated lip. Do you want it fully saturated or do you want it more? I like using my finger and tapping it.
Well, that's what I was gonna do.
It's a nice dusty application. It's cream to powder too, so anyway, just gonna. I'm gonna use the Marc Jacobs lip gloss in shade Enamoured. No, Enamoured Eye Shine lip gloss, Lacquer. in the shade Allow Me. I really like this color.
It's called Allow Me.
I really like this gloss because it has a subtle mint flavor, which I feel like is really pleasant.
Oh, I love mint on my lips.
I don't like fruity. I hate vanilla. It's just so artificial
and super sweet.
And super sweet. But this,
that looks nice.
Yeah.
Whoa,
that's really nice. That's nice. This color just makes my lips slightly pink and doesn't overtake this eye look. I love the Multistick. It's my favorite Bite Beauty product. It's cream to powder, for lips, and cheeks, and I love just putting the same color on eyes, lips, and cheeks. It just looks modern. I find it's a modern way to wear makeup.
I am beautiful.
You look like a rock concert gal.
Okay, those are our looks. Does it look like we're going to a concert? I think me more than you. You look just nice. I look like a crazy person.
Once I get my cool new jacket on.
Oh, your cool new jacket.
That one.
Oh, okay.
I got a cool new jacket that I really love. It's like, anyway.
Okay.
Doesn't matter.
Anyways, I hope you guys liked our tutorial and check out this Huda Beauty palette. It's very nice.
Desert Dusk. Really loved
Dusk. It's very dusky. And if you liked our video, please like it and subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram.
At front cover blonde girl with no E on the blonde.
It's very important.
Very important.
Anyways, have a good day.
Time. Bye.
Let's have a good dance.
But I think bitches like the best of them.